All right, so this is about song. And when you are in song, you're relaxed, but you're expanding. And that gives you a beautiful feeling in your Tai Chi, and it lets the Chi flow more readily. So when you validate it or you practice with somebody, go ahead and grab hard. Yeah. Then you just want to release and relax. So the first part of song is to relax your muscles and just let them hang. And that already does something to your person. You probably feel, what do you feel? Relaxed. You feel relaxed. Oh, that's nice. So now my perpetrator or my opponent is feeling relaxed too. So I'm taking off the edge of the aggressive need right there by my relaxing into it. Now, with that relaxing downwards, now I start to song, which means I feel myself and I expand my joints and my body is just expanding outwards. And this is soft. I'm not using it with muscles. And then I can just send the energy.
Mm-hmm. I was twirling there for a little bit
before
I went back. Yeah.
So that was the energy going through.
But when we were starting and you said, what do you feel like? I felt more like I was in power, and then you came back with more power.
and how was that power that came back at you that I sent? What was the quality of that?
It was total.
Yeah.
And it was like
water flowing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because see, you can't feel your own song, so that's why if you practice with each other, you need to give each other feedback. Okay. Now, you do it to me, so yeah. Keep it going. So now I'll grab you. So here I am. I grab you. And you just let go. So when I say make yourself comfortable on the incoming force, that was really key for me. That concept of being comfortable on this. Yeah, she's already sending it because I'm already going. Woo! All right. So I think you can relax a little more, though. Let me hold your arms. Relax them even more. That's it. The more you relax, see, the deeper it goes. Don't send it physically. Relax the shoulders. Yes. Okay. Now feel your body from the feet up. Just feel like you're songing from the feet up. And now send it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Good.
I moved my husband the other day.
Yay! Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. I thought,
isn't that fantastic? That's great. Good. All right. Thank you.